Good morning all of you. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today 9th class social studies. 9th class social studies amazing key and dated 22nd September 2020 assignment number 17. Okay, we will see this one. So choosing the correct answers from the given options. Dash are known as steppees. A. Tropical grasslands. B. Tundra vegetation. C. Desert vegetation. D. Temperate grasslands. So answer is D is the first one. D. Second one, we'll see. The densest forest in the equatorial region are called. So densely forest of equatorial region is called A. Selvas. B. Lions. C. Steppes. D. Pampas. So C and D are grasslands, whereas A only for second question answer, A is the correct answer. And third one, the people in the Amazon river basin are called. So A. Pygmies. B. Samang. C. The Red Indians. D. Head hunters. For third answer, C is the correct answer, Red Indians. And fourth one, the people who lives in the dash desert are called Bushmans. A. Sahara. B. Kalahari. C. Thar. D. Arabian desert. So whereas the fourth one, B. Kalahari desert. Kalahari desert people they called as Bushmans. Fifth question, the tropical grasslands in Brazil and Bolivia are known as. So tropical grasslands of Brazil and Bolivia are known as A. Campos. B. Steppes. C. Wilds. D. Llanos. And A. Campos is the correct answer. A. Sixth one. The temperate grasslands in South Africa are called. 7 temperate grasslands of South Africa are called as A. Steppes. B. Pampas. C. Prairies. D. Wilds. So D is the correct answer. Wilds. So now we can see question and answers for this assignment. Here see 7th question. How do you think acid rains will affect natural vegetation and crops? How do you think that acid rains will affect the entire natural vegetation and crops are also failed because of during the acid rains or falls? Okay, first one, if acid rains are caused, the mighty of acidic particles of atmosphere with rain causing the acid content of rainwater. So in that rainwater only enter the acid rains only it is contained, and acid rainfalls damage the fertility of the soil, and if the acid rainfalls is there, fertility soil is also reduces. When the fertility of the soil is reduces, and it is a result about that cause of loss of crops, and trees are not grown and they get withered. Sometimes they will go out of that place, withered it is there. And air green decreases, global warming is formed and area. So what are that one? Because of acid rains, green is reduces and decreases, global warming is also it is increases. If the global warming increases, automatically entire the temperature is very hot, so automatically what is there in that area, there is only so hot temperature and acid rains will comes. And the second question, 8th question, what is greenhouse effect? What is greenhouse effect? Some gases trap the heat. What are that one? Some gases trap the heat. Heat is trapped by that some gases only are re-affected by the earth into the sky and maintain a constant surface temperature. They will maintain a constant surface of temperature. So this mechanism is known as the greenhouse gases. What that heat is trapped by some important gases, and ultimately that kind of mechanism is known as greenhouse effect. This greenhouse effect in simple terms in the property of the atmosphere also causes. These are the known as about greenhouse effects are there, and this is the key for that 17th assignment, amazing assignment of 17th, and it is the key. This key is completed. So 7th question is only acid rains, 8th question is effect of greenhouse effect are there. So far it is completed. Thank you one and all.